Hi, and welcome back to Python tutorials. One common question is what to do when you have a string combined with an integer, and the easiest thing is to use a function called str that converts any kind of variables in Python into a string. Let's make an example. You have a name and you have an age, sorry, and John name has 40 years old. So you want to be stored in a value that says that your name plus your age, and then you want to print your total. And then if you want to run this by saying, sorry, you have to save this. If you want to run your file is going to send you an error because it is not of type string. So this is when you use a function that called str that converts this integer into a string. So you won't have to make any cast or anything, just it will simply convert into the string. So when you run the program again, sorry, I forgot to save. And it's as simple as that. You just use str to convert any type of integer into a string. It's a really simple function that will help you a lot.